What's up, guys? Left with king crab claw, and so I'd like to make a hand roll from this, and I'll show you how we can use this for a sushi hand roll. Yeah, we'll go ahead and gently. Let me see a better way of doing this. I'll use my scissors actually. It should be okay. Oh yeah, kind of pop it off one end, pop it off one side. It's quite tough. A lot tougher than I thought. See if I can cut around the shell. Okay. My main goal is not to have any chunks of the shell in there. It's pretty sharp. I would hate to bite into that, or even someone else. Okay. I try to loosen this up a little bit here. Eek. Don't mind my noises I'm making. Struggle sounds. Okay. So, beautiful chunk of meat here. Okay. Really don't have a whole lot here, so just gonna get that out. Toss the rest. Nope. Almost cut myself there. Okay. That's it. Go ahead and get the shoulder meat out. Lightly push it out. Put that in here. Raw meat. Okay. Put that in there as well. You don't have to use all of the meat. I'm just opening it up so that way I have everything available when I need it. Just deshelling it. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. The juices are in here. The meat's here. What I'll do next is grab my chunk of nori. This one got a little weathered. It's been sitting out too long. You don't want to use a nori that's all like flappy. It does retain a lot of water from the moisture or from the air, and so I wouldn't suggest using this. It'll just be chewy. We'll go ahead and use a fresh piece of nori, and I can show you the difference. See, this is much crispier. Splits right apart, crunchy. The goal is to take a bite of it with crunchy nori, taste everything that's in there, and then get rid of this one too. Use this slice. And we'll go ahead. I'm adding nothing else but the crab meat, which is here. We will not be stingy with it. I'll also grab some caviar. Mm-mm-mm. And put that in there. Okay. I'll lay this strip of nori on the side. Go ahead and roll it. Color it back in. Okay. And then on top, what I'd like to do is make some more caviar, because there just is never enough caviar. Just pile that in there. More caviar. King crab and caviar hand roll. Okay, then I have some freshly sliced green onions, or scallions. I'll just garnish that right on top. Like that. Eat the rest of it. And here you have it. King crab caviar hand roll. Don't wait too long. Eat it.